One of the first things we realized on this store is these springs are not the right size. They're way too strong. All the squeaking is from the plastic rollers. As you can see, they have no motor. We're going to install one. It's going to be a lift match to motor, and they're going to be able to open the store from their phones. So we tossed the old stuff and installed new springs, pulleys, and cables. The new rollers are sealed bearing nylon. We got that opener up there. And voila!
Wow, bro, it's super quiet.
Check out this store we just came across this morning.